Hey guys, it's Adrian once again. This video, I'm going to show you how you can track your online marketing and your offline marketing with the Conversion Pros. And also, I'm going to show you where I get my domain names at. And I'm going to show you the funnel I built. It took me a few days, but it's finally done. And I will show you the funnel I made just finished today. Okay, let's get started. That's the Conversion Pros. I bought two domain names, guys. AdrianMarketingSystem.com. I just name it, equal domain one. And then I bought AdrianCashflowTeam.com equal domain two. The place I bought it is Namecheap because they're not that expensive. It's like $10 a year, sometimes like $8 a year. And I just forward the tiny URL I put right here and right here. You want to make sure when you go to Namecheap, you go to advanced right there. Well, let me show you so you won't get confused because for a while I was confused a few months ago. So first thing you want to do is click on manage right there. And then you want to click on advanced DNS. And then you just want to paste the tiny URL right here, but I already got it done. So I'm not going to do that. And how you get your tiny URL is get link right here. And that's the link right there I paste for Adrian Cash Flow Team that you can see right here. Okay, let me see. So when they go to this link right here, it will take them to my first page right here. Now this is called a magnet, but instead of getting the email first, guys, I like doing either something they like a blog post magnet and click here, or video magnet work also. It's not that long. It's only a minute and 47 seconds, and it get them excited to click here. So take the free tour and learn more. They click here, then they come to my capture page. Learn how this mobile app will increase your leads and sales by 500% ROI. They put their name and email in, then they'll come to this page. Okay, step one, get your mobile app. See how the mobile app works. Now, this is the front end sales, guys. And then when they go down, after they watch both videos, not that long, now see how we pay you, and they'll click that button right here. Then we'll come to the compensation plan. And they'll watch this video, not that long. It's only a minute, 27 seconds. Proof video, proof picture right here. One of my team members made $1,800 in 1 week. So we get paid every Friday. And then if you're ready to join, click below, join free today. But bonus, now see a strategy I use for Conversion Pros. And then they will come to this. Now, this video is based on the strategy I use to make a couple $100 a day. It's free, but I also buy traffic also. But this is a free method, that you can use. And then you also get all these tools in your back office. I took a screenshot of all the tools in the back office. So instead of buying them separate, that would cost you about $300 or $400 or more per month. Uh, you get all our tools in the back office, so you don't have to buy them separate no more because we have everything you need. Okay, and then on the back end, when they click that button, I put three more buttons. These three buttons below will change your life. Now, the first button, they'll get the free marketing system that I just showed you. The second button is instant cash because you need instant cash to buy traffic to keep the money flow. So this instant cash video I showed, when they click this button, they'll come to a sale page where they can learn how to make instant cash. And then the traffic I use, they'll click this button, and this is how you buy your traffic, paid traffic. That's the number one paid traffic in my opinion, but it costs a little bit more than Udemy ads for sure, but you ain't getting no fake traffic. You're getting real people. and they over deliver also. All right, guys, so quick little video to let you know this is the plan for 2020. I'm gonna push this sale funnel out there. First page, video magnet. Second page, get my leads. The opt-in page. Third page, they'll learn more about the mobile app. The fourth page, they'll learn about the compensation plan they can make, how much money they can make with proof. They pay every Friday. And the last page is a strategy video I made. And also I show you all the tools. Plus I have 3 more buttons below will change your life. The marketing system that you see right here. The instant cash, click on that button and you'll see where you can make instant cash, and also traffic, where I buy my traffic. Yeah. Now, guys, if you want this sales funnel, of course, you got to join my team. You know, I'm not going to give you all these share codes if you're not on my team. So below this video, make sure you subscribe to my video channel first. Second, make sure you ring that bell. And number 3, I will leave this first page right here in the comment section so you can go through this funnel and learn more. All right, guys. Happy, it's Wednesday, right? Yeah, it's Wednesday. That's crazy because, guys, when it was Tuesday, I thought it was Monday. I told my girlfriend, I was like, you sure it's Tuesday? So I lost a whole day because I was working on this funnel right here. So my mind went like 90 going north. So that's okay. Because I was working hard and made this funnel and put all the buttons together. Had to test it, had to get the domain names and things of that nature. And before I go, I'm gonna tell you why I got the domain names like this, guys. How I track it. I got two domains. So for example, if I advertise online, 2 different online services, I will know how many lifetime hits I got on each one of them, and I'll know what traffic source is giving me more leads, because you can also okay, guys, you also can track it with this right here. We have a tracking system, so you can track your logs and stats right here, stats and logs right here. So that's how I'm tracking it also. So not only I'm tracking it by visual right here, but I can track also with the stats and the logs. Okay, guys, happy Wednesday, and I hope you enjoyed this video. But if you want to join my business, guys, shoot a comment below this video, and I will leave the link in the comment section. So if you are ready to start making money in 2020, make sure you comment below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and plus ring that bell. All right, guys, peace.